Okay, we're going to demonstrate the 11 Bravo pocket chainsaw, available from Amazon.com, with an 11-year-old boy and about a 2-inch diameter piece of maple. And maybe if we're good, we'll get demonstration of how to do it right and maybe how not to do it right. Okay, go ahead. Side to side, not up and down. There you go.
And smooth
Keep going. All the way from end to end. Side to side, remember. Keep going side to side. Keep going. There you go. And when you get close, just break it if it's not ready yet. You're pulling up and down again too, not side to side. Keep going side to side. Keep going, a little further. Push, push, push. Get it through. You'll notice he's also not pulling up too much on it. He's actually letting the teeth of the saw cut, rather than try to pull the saw through the wood. Is it done? Can you take the saw out of there and stomp on it and break it?
No.
Come on, break it.
There you go.
There you go. Okay. Okay, that's good. Now, pick it up and show your accomplishment. We'll just show it. Very good. There you go. 11 Bravo pocket chainsaw, available from Amazon. Boy sold separately.